these are my 3 ingredients. I have regular horseradish, I have ketchup, and I have a lemon. So I like to start, and honestly, there really is no recipe for this. I take a fork and I like to sort of squeeze out some of the liquid that's in there. And we do like horseradish, so that depends. If you don't like it too hot, okay, so I just go ahead and put a little horseradish in. I guess a lot, huh? And then I'll add ketchup. Now I sort of think we're only going to eat probably each 2 pieces of fish. So I'm just going to make enough just for that. All right, so then I'm going to cut a lemon, juice out. So I'm just going to take my reamer, go ahead and get some juice. I have a little strainer here. I'm going to juice the whole lemon even if I don't use it all. There actually no, I'll take the seeds out sometimes and go ahead and just put the pulp right back in. And then I'm just going to add just a little bit of lemon juice, not too much, just to give it that little bit of kick. And actually, talking about kick, which I don't do, but you could add a little touch of hot sauce to this or a little cayenne pepper. And if you, now this is done. This is all done. I'm going to put it in a container here, save it for tonight. But you could also, if you wanted to, add a little bit of, separate this into 2 places, add a little mayonnaise to it, and you have a really nice dip also. So I'm all done, and thanks for joining me. Now this will last in the refrigerator for as long as the horseradish will stay hot, and for me that's probably just a few days. I like the horseradish to stay hot. Bye.